Sounds like
Guys, so I came to Mr. house today to give her a surprise since it's a Galentine's Day. I bought a little present, so let's see her reaction, how it is. She has no idea that I'm coming. Happy Galentine's Day.
2 hours later.
You wanna see something? Siddharth.
Eh, 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 eh.
Namaste. Welcome to my new home. This is where I sleep, and this is where I poop. Should I say it?
It's okay.
Where I take shower, and this is where I sleep.
Where is your kitchen?
Oh, this is my kitchen.
Oh, so big.
Yeah, it's very spacious, guys. I love
Oh my god.
How am I looking? How's that?
It's super pretty, just like you.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the tour. Bye. Let's ask her, how was the surprise? Mr. Da, how was the surprise?
We did a little bit chit-chatting and then we decided to go out.
It's Galentine's Day, not Valentine's Day. We're driving 180.
Galentine's Day. This is your time to give your best.
The girlies, ooh, we look good tonight. Everything's gonna be alright. It's a girls' night, baby. It's a girls' night, baby.
Ready?
Humpty had a gripper. Humpty Dumpty. Oh my god.
On the way, we saw Pani Puri, and honestly, is there any better Galentine's Day plan than Pani Puri? I don't think so. While we were at it, we got a message from Lenskart saying that my lenses were ready. So we went to Lenskart and collected them. Amidst all this, we didn't tell our parents that we were going out, so we got some nice cool drinks. Never mind. We enjoyed our day. That's all that matters.
Ashti.
Thank you for watching.